In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide tagged posts on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Instagram app and then head over to our profile. If some user tagged you on their Instagram post, that post will be displayed right here among all the posts where you have been tagged. And any user can open up your profile and see the posts you are tagged in. However, guys, if you want to hide a post from your profile, you can easily do so. To do that, we need to open up that post, then hit right here at three dots, then tap at tag options here, and after that we'll be able to select hide from my profile, just like that. And then if we go back to our profile, we can see that now the post has been hidden from my profile. However, guys, if later on you change your mind and if you wanna get back that post, then the only way to do so is open up that user's profile page and find that post on their profile. I'm gonna show you how it works. First off, I'm gonna search for that user. Then I need to search for that exact post. And then in the same way, we need to hit right here at three dots, then tag options, and then show on my profile. After that, it will reappear here at tags, at tagged posts section. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.